Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ridging. It looks almost knit, and I'm working on a beanie right now that I'll post the written pattern in the description, but I wanted to quickly show you how to make this beautiful braided ridging. And I just did a round of double crochet, and so I'm going to chain one for the next round, and I'm going to work from the back and insert the hook into the first stitch and then back out the second stitch and yarn over and just pull the yarn through both and single crochet. So again, we're going to work into the same stitch we just pulled the yarn through to insert our hook, go through the next stitch, pull the yarn through, and single crochet. Insert your hook through the next stitch, pull that yarn through, and single crochet. Insert your hook into the same stitch you just worked in and go out the next stitch. Pull your yarn through both of those stitches and single crochet. And we're going to work in this way all the way around for this round. And you can see that you get this really pretty textured detail that looks really nice and uniform. And that's it. That's what we're doing for this round. And we do 2 rounds of that, is what I have done up here, with a round of double crochet in between. And again, I will post the written pattern in the link in the description, and you can have all the sizes there for this beanie. Have a great day.